how to buy KOKU the Shikoku. So this token, I guess it came under the symbol of KOKU, if this is the right name, or KOKU. Now, before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the LEX account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, if you check this pinned post from the LEX account, as you can see, this token now it's available on MEXC. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC and fund it to some USDT to benefit from rewards on crypto. So after you create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT, now you are able to go to your account and open it. So after you open your account, go and copy this token sample. It will be KOKU. So after you copy it, now hit insert, as you can see. Now paste it. So after a while, you will be able to see appear here to USDT. Now click on it. So after this page is loaded, now you'll be able to buy this token. So you click on buy here and click on limit, or the market is the same. So after you click on limit, here type how much you want to buy of that coin. As you can see, here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account to be able to buy this token. So after that, click on buy KOKU. Now, if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to buy this token. So after you set the percentage, or the percentage, sorry guys, that you have of that USDT on your account, click on buy KOKU and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy KOKU token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.